Hello everyone, I'm Debbie Indahar-Giordano of Master Brokers. Welcome to my weekly update where I give you some information about what's going on with the local Milpitas real estate market and in general, and then I'll follow up with 3 questions that sellers typically ask me when I go out to talk to them about listing their home, and I'd like to share those questions and answers with you, so stay tuned for that. So the first thing is there's a great article that just came out in the Milpitas Post, dated October 27th. The headline reads, "High interest rates not stopping buyers in Silicon Valley." And that's certainly true right here in Milpitas. I'm closing 3 sales this week. Real quick, 1397 Mount Chesta Avenue in Milpitas. That's listed at 1198888. It's closing at $1,340,000. And then we're closing 1051 Crescent Terr in Milpitas, and that was listed at $2,598,888, and that will close at $2,525,000. And then just closed 2235 Skyline Drive in Milpitas. That was also listed at $2,598,888. And that's closing at $2,550. And by the way, all 3 buyers came in with loans, financing, a tremendous amount, a down payment, but they're all financing with loans. So the high interest rates are certainly not stopping buyers from buying. So what do we got coming up? Some great inventory, and I want to share with you an exciting open house. I'll be doing a twilight open house, which is in the evening hours. And the property address is 54 Butler Street in Milpitas. It's a 3-bedroom, 3-bath. It's been totally redone. I am just so excited about this property. It's in the Manor area. The list price is $1,898,888. So Twilight Open House will be Thursday, November 9th from 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. The seller added a fire pit in the backyard, so we came up with a great idea. We'll get that charged up, get the lights on in the house, and it should show really, really nice. And in addition to that Twilight Open House, it'll be open Saturday, Sunday, November 11th and November 12th from 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. I'll be there to meet you if you want to come by and see that open house. And then the following week, I've got 1317 Moonlight Way in Milpitas. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath with a huge bonus room made with permits. I pulled the permits with the city of Milpitas. And the price point on that is $1,298,888. We're getting that ready, prepped, and staged. In fact, my photographer will be filming the before and the after shots on that home. That'll be exciting to see how the staging makes a great transformation on that home. So watch for that video. That'll be open Saturday, Sunday, November 18th and November 19th from 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. And I'll be there too to meet you if you want to come and stop by. So great open houses in November. Excited to show these properties. We're not waiting for the new year to bring them on. We're bringing them on now. We've got low inventory, great amount of buyers still looking. So that's a great mix for a good market for a seller. So what do we have coming up soon? Well, 2116 Blue Ridge Drive in Milpitas. That's a 4-bedroom, 3-bath Chappelle home in the Hillcrest area. It's got the bedroom and bathroom downstairs, which most buyers really, really like. And the square footage on that is 2150 square feet. Getting the keys on December 15th, and that one will be prepped. Have all new paint in and out, fresh landscaping, front yard, backyard, all new laminate flooring. Then it'll be staged. So we're looking at middle to end of January for that property. So that'll be good timing to bring that on. And the price point on that one is $2,198,888. And then I've got a condo in Milpitas near the Great Mall area. It is 94 Park Place. The list price on that is $899,000. It's a 2-bedroom, 2.5-bath. About 1,192 square feet. So that one is being prepped right now. It's bought back with an investment company. They do a really good job of getting the home ready to present. So should be nice when we get that ready, and that's about 2 or 3 weeks away and I'll be sharing with you when that open house will be on that property. And then I've got a lot on Evans Road. It's a 1-acre lot, 1.2 million, with an older home on it, about a 900 square foot home. We'll be clearing that out and getting it ready and prepped and ready to go on the market here probably in the next 30 to 45 days. And so look for that one, or give me a call and I can share the details with you on that particular property. And then rolling into the new year, I've got a 5-bedroom, 2-bath townhouse in the Berryessa area in San Jose. Don't usually work that area too much, but it's right on the border of Milpitas. And the address is 871 Beaver Creek Way in San Jose, and it's a great price point. It's got a garage too, and it's $998,888. So that is going to be an awesome, awesome property. Okay, so what do sellers want to know? Well, one of the questions that I get asked very often is, what is the expected timeline for selling my home? You know, looking at the median average days on market right here in Milpitas, it usually runs about 14 days. So I would expect at least 2 to 3 weeks is what we expect on average marketing time. I like to do at least 1 weekend open house, if not maybe 2 weekends, and then we do an offer deadline and set the have agents submit their offers on the deadline, and that's how I create multiple offers and get that bidding war going. So again, it's about a 2 to 3 week timeline. If we haven't achieved the results we want, then we need to look at what are the factors. Do we have a location problem? How about a preparation? Does the home need something else in terms of preparation? Or is it a pricing problem? So we will evaluate all that about after 3 weeks that it's been on the market. Next question is personalized home staging, how my experts tailor design them to your property. And you will see that at the 1317 Moonlight Way home in Milpitas on the before and the after shots. I've got one of the best stagers in the business. She creates a flow with the pictures, with the colors, even the pillows that go on the couches create a warmth in the room and just a great, great feeling. She doesn't stage very busy. I noticed some of the other listings from other agents and using some of the other stagers, they tend to put something on every wall and it gets very busy. My stager tends to have a more clean look, and I think that is sleek and it flows and it's less cluttered, and so it makes the home appear much larger. She uses mirrors. She uses a fake TV over the fireplace to create warmth in maybe a living room. So anyway, check the before and after photos on Moonlight Way, and you'll see what a great job my stager does. I'm really happy. Have used her for about 7 or 8 years in my career. And then last but not least, the power of curb appeal, landscaping tips from my specialist. And it couldn't be more true. You know, when somebody drives up or walks up to the home that's for sale, they get an impression in the first 2 to 3 seconds, maybe 5 seconds, on whether they want to live there. And that's the first hurdle in getting that home sold. They call it curb appeal. Now, if you look at the 2116 Blue Ridge Drive property, and we may even do the before and after shots on that one, I'll be able to demonstrate to you what great landscaping, doing new grass and shrubs and flowers and chips, and how that brings the appearance up into a home, especially a higher end home like $2 million. So I have a good landscaper that I work with. He's very cost effective, and he's transformed a lot of properties to create that curb appeal and get that first look that you just want for your property. So if you want to get your home ready for sale, please give me a call, 408-945-8988. It is November, and I know we're approaching the holidays, but it's never too early to get started, and we can talk about getting going for next year. Thank you very much for watching, and look forward to seeing you next week again. Take care. Bye-bye.